Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel SK Solutions. My name is Deepti Madhuri and I am a tally trainer. In previous video we have learned about how to provide GST details to each stock item with an example. Today in this video we are going to learn about purchase returns and sales returns with GST. So let's get started. Here it is the example. In Telegram, after creating the company, in F1 features of the company, as we know that we need to enable GST, right? And we need to provide GST registration details of the company, like GST identification number of the company. And coming to this example here, see, only single GST rate has been given, means only single GST rate has been charged on entire stock items, right? So, if this has been given, we need to follow the first method, means under F-line features of the company, under GST details, you need to enable set or alter GST rate details. And you need to provide GST details of the company because only single GST rate has been charging on entire stock items, right? So provide HSN code, give the HSN code of the company. Taxability, you need to select taxable and give the rate, and it has been automatically segregated between central tax and state tax. Then save it. And there is PAN number of the company, right? So press Ctrl plus I and go to PAN details and give PAN number of the company. Then save it. Okay. Next, go to create. We need to create a inventory masters, right? Go to stock group. The first stock group is stationery item. And the next stock group is industrial item. Next, coming to units, the stationery item has been specified in the form of numbers, and industrial items are specified in the form of bags. Now go to stock item, enter one stock item, pencil, under stationery item, numbers, and statutory detail. There is no need to enable set or alter GST details because there is no different GST details to different stock items. There is only single GST rate has been charging on entire stock item. So we had already given such GST details in F1 features of the company. So there is no need to enable such feature to each stock item. Okay. And the opening stock is 1000 each 5 rupees. And next eraser. Under stationery item numbers, and the opening balance is 1500 each 3 rupees. Pen, stationery item numbers, opening balance is 500 each 30 rupees. Next note, stationery item 200 each 25 rupees. And coming to industrial item, cement. Industrial item, it has been specified in bags. And the opening balance is 100 each 300 rupees. Next, bricks. Under industrial item, bags, and the opening balance is 200 each 250 rupees. Next, coal. Industrial item, bags, and the opening balance is 100 each 175 rupees. Then save it. And is there any additional stock items? Yes. We have also purchased the sand and create sand under stock item in industrial items, bags, and there is no opening balance. Then save it. That's it. And I had already created the list of ledger accounts. Let me show you. Here see, Mr. Joseph comes under sundry creditor, Jupiter sundry debtor, Kirti and Co sundry debtor, and purchase account, and type of supply. You need to select goods because we are purchasing goods, right? Purchase returns comes under purchase account and type of supply you need to select goods. Sales under sales account, type of supply you need to select goods. And sales returns, sales account, type of supply you need to select goods. And we need to create two more ledger accounts, nothing but CGST and SGST, right? CGST under duties and taxes, type of duty GST, and tax type you need to select central tax. Next, SGST, duties and taxes, GST, and tax type you need to select state tax. Then save it. Now coming to the transactions here, the first transaction is we sold goods on credit basis to Kirti. We sold the following stock items to Kirti, right? It's nothing but sales voucher. Go to sales voucher, party name, select Kirti and Co. Sales ledger sales. And the first stock item is pencil. 200 numbers, each 7 rupees. And the next stock item is bricks. 100 bags, each 120 rupees. And next cement. 75 bags, each 350 rupees. These are the stock items which we had sold to Kirti and Co. We need to provide GST also, right? CGST and SGST. Okay. Then save it. New reference. Yes, you need to select new reference. Next, we purchased goods from Joseph. We purchased the following stock item from Joseph. So nothing but purchase voucher. Mr. Joseph. Purchase sand. 200 bags, each 200 rupees. And next note. 100 numbers, each 30 rupees. Then provide GST, CGST and SGST. Yes, new reference. Yes, this total amount also include GST amount also. Okay. Then save it. Next, coming to this transaction here, credit note has been received from Kirti and Co. Here earlier we sold the following items to Kirti and Co on credit basis. Now, Kirti is in the position of returning the goods to us, nothing but sales returns. So press Alt plus F6 to access credit note, nothing but sales returns. Party account name you need to select Kirti and Co because Kirti and Co is returning goods to us. Ledger account select sales returns. Here the first stock item is pencil. Earlier we sold 200 number of pencils to Kirti and Co. Now out of 200 numbers she is returning 15 numbers to us. Okay. So select pencil and give quantity 15 numbers. The rate shall be automatically displayed. And the next stock item is bricks. Earlier we sold 100 bags of bricks to Mr. MS Kirti. And now she is returning 30 bags to us. So bricks 30 bags and the rate has been automatically displayed. And provide tax CGST and SGST. Because earlier while we are selling goods to Kirti, we levy tax on such stock items, right? At the same time, if Kirti is returning to us, we need to levy tax on such amount also. Okay. And you need to select against difference. This total amount also include the tax amount also. Okay. Then save it. Next, goods sold on credit to Jupiter. Nothing but sales voucher. Jupiter. Sales account. And eraser. 500 each 5 rupees. And bricks. 50 bags each 300 rupees. And provide GST, CGST and SGST. Next, amount received from Mr. Jupiter here. Earlier we sold goods on credit basis to Mr. Jupiter. Now he is paying amount to us. Okay, it is receipt to us. Go to receipt voucher, credit Mr. Jupiter account And the total pending amount that we need to receive from Mr. Jupiter is 19,600, including GST also. This amount includes GST also. So no amount has been mentioned. That means Mr. Jupiter is paying entire amount to us. So select this and debit cash account as cash is coming in. Yes, see, there is no pending balance in Mr. Jupiter account as he is paying the entire amount to us. And then save. Next, debit note to Mr. Joseph. Yes, see, in second transaction we purchased the following item from Mr. Joseph. Now, we are giving debit note to Mr. Joseph, nothing but purchase returns. We are returning the following stock items to Mr. Joseph, which we had purchased earlier from Mr. Joseph. So, nothing but debit note. Press Alt plus F5 to access debit note voucher. First of all, go to F9 and press Alt plus F5 to access debit note voucher. In that, you need to select party name as Mr. Joseph. Purchase returns. The first stock item is sand 100 bags. Earlier, we purchased 200 bags of sand from Mr. Joseph. Now we are returning 100 bags of sand. Okay, 100 bags of sand and the rate has been automatically displayed. And note 45 numbers. Earlier, we purchased 100 numbers from Mr. Joseph and now we are returning 45 numbers of note. And provide GST also. CGST and SGST. Again is reference. Yes. Then save it. Yes, this is how you need to provide GST even for purchase returns and sales returns also. Now go to display more reports. If you want to view the inventory analysis, go to inventory books, stock item, and you can view the each stock item analysis. Next, GST reports. GST annual computation. Okay, that's it. And if you want to view the purchase returns and sales returns, here go to inventory books. Yes, debit note. Yes, if you want to check the purchase returns and sales returns reports, go to account books. In that, go to debit note. Here. And go to credit note register. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to receive more updates on Tally Prime accounting and related topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive latest updates.